Okay, good evening, Minh Đức. How are you?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. Hope that you're ready for the test today. So, with the
Yes.
test today, we have three main parts: the speaking, the listening, and the reading. So, we will start
Yes.
with speaking first. So, can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
Um, my name is Minh. My 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 full name is Minh. I live in Ho Chi Minh City. I like red color.
Mm-hmm.
I like dog and people. My family is four people. It's my dad, my mom, my little sister, and me. My um my city is very beautiful. I will love I love my city.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Finish?
Finish.
Okay, thank you so much. All right, so now we will come to the next exercise. I have a picture here, and I need you to describe a little bit about the picture. And then I will ask you some questions, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
This picture it has a butterfly. It's flying and have a very long rainbow. Have a small grass, a sunflower, a pear tree, and the flock of duck. It in the picture also have four four people, two girls and two boys. One the girl is wearing the yellow dress. Is playing with three cats, and the uh and the girl is wearing the pink shirt. Is running
Mm.
with the 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 boy wearing the orange shirt and the boy wearing the blue shirt. You want to eat a pear.
Okay, all right, thank you. I will ask you some more questions, okay? How many people are there in the pictures?
It is for people.
Okay, they are four people, right? And how many
They
boys,
for
how many
people.
girls?
Two boy and two girl.
Good. Who is sitting, the girl or the boy?
The girl
The
wearing the
girl,
yellow
okay.
dress.
Mm-hmm. So what color is the bigger duck?
The color of the bigger dog is color white.
White. Okay. And what is the boy with blonde hair doing?
The boy with blonde hair is it want to catch the pear.
Okay. All right, good job. So now we will come to another exercise, which is the presentation. Okay, here is the presentation, and I need you to speak it out loud, okay?
Okay. Tony Planet Journey. Robot science. It's very beautiful, isn't it? Tony not yet. It is amazing. They fly past the moon, which looks glowing bright. Tony waves to it happily. They visit Mars, the red planet. It looks so hot and bright. After that, they reach Jupiter, the biggest planet with many storms. Next, they see Saturn, shining beautiful with golden rings. Tony can't believe his eyes. This is the best day ever, he says. Robot Mind replies, Tony, if you study hard and stay kind, I'll come back. The rocket lands softly. Tony saw him again. The box is gone, but it hurt. full dream. From that day on, Tony studied harder than ever. He knows that one day he will smell the stars again.
Good job. All right. Okay, so let's come to the final part of the speaking. We will come to the mini story. So I will ask you some question related to the story. Okay, are you ready, Minh Đức?
Yes.
Good job. So first question, what is the name of the story?
The name story is Tony Planet Journey.
Good job. Okay, and who is the main character of the story?
The main character is Tony.
Okay, good job. So they fly past the moon, they visit Mars. After that, they reach Jupiter and they see Saturn, right? Ooh. So,
Ooh.
how many planets have Tony been to?
4.
4 planets, okay, including the moon, right? Okay.
Yes.
So, what color is Mars?
Mars is colored red.
Yes,
Red
okay.
green.
So, is Mars wet and cold?
No.
No, it's more cool and beautiful.
No.
No, so it's more hot and cool.
No.
No, so it's more hot and dry.
Hmm?
Is Mars hot and dry?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So how is Mars?
Hot and dry.
Very good, okay. And what is the next planet after Mars that Tony visited?
Which planet after Mars is Jupiter?
Jupiter, okay. So is Jupiter the smallest planet?
No.
No, is Jupiter the hottest planet?
No.
No, is Jupiter the biggest planet?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So what kind of planet is Jupiter?
It's the biggest planet.
Yeah, the biggest planet. So what does Jupiter have many?
Jupiter has many storms.
Good job, okay. All right. So which planet is shining beautifully with golden rings?
Saturn.
Saturn. Good job, okay. All right. So who can't believe his eyes?
Tony.
Tony, okay. So does Tony say this is the worst day ever?
No.
No. Does Tony say this is the hottest day ever?
No.
No. So does Tony this is the laziest day ever?
No.
No. So does Tony say this is the best day ever?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What does Tony say?
Tony is like it's the best day ever.
Good job. And what is the word have the opposite meaning with best?
Worst.
Worst. Good job. Okay. All right. So Robo smiles and replies, Tony, if you study hard and stay kind, I'll come back. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay, so if Tony study hard and stay kind, what will Robo do?
Well, robot it come back.
Will come back. Okay, so in what condition Robo will come back?
When if Tony study hard and stay kind.
Good job. Okay. Okay. So some last question for you. The rocket lands softly. Tony is home again. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. Does the rocket land dangerously?
No.
No. Does the rocket land hardly?
No.
Does the rocket land slowly?
No.
Does the rocket land softly?
Yes.
Yeah. How does the rocket land?
Softly.
Softly. Okay. Where is Tony again?
Tony is home again.
Is home again. Good job. Okay, so congratulations, you have done the mini story part. Now we will come next to the listening part. Okay, so we will have two exercise, multiple choice and matching. So please use the pen on your screen to circle in the correct answer. Okay, con sẽ dùng cái bút ở trên màn hình, sau đó là khoanh focal vào cái đáp án đúng của mình nha.
Yes.
Okay.
Welcome to the listening test.
Can you hear?
Yes.
There are 2 parts in the test. You will hear each part twice. For each part, there will be time for you to read the questions. In part 1, you will listen and choose the correct answer, A, B, or C, for each question. Now you have 30 seconds to read through part 1.
You can read through a little bit for the questions.
Okay.
Just in mind, just in mind. Okay.
Let's start. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite. Now, listen again. This is my room. There is a doll on the bed. I have many cars. I have 3 cars. They are behind the box. I also have a kite. It's red. I like flying kite.
Finish.
You finish. Okay. All right. So if you finish, let's come to the second exercise. Okay. In this one, you will match.
Part 2. Listen carefully and choose the correct answers. You will hear twice. This is an example. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. So, number 1, Lily, is A.
Okay.
Now, you will listen and match the rest.
In this part, you can match or you can write the letter next to the number. Okay?
Part 2. Now you have to listen twice. Let's start. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass. Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-haired boy who is holding the red car.
No.
Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree. Now, you will listen again. Lily is the girl who is picking an apple from the tree. Max is the boy who is sleeping on the grass.
Max.
Alice is the girl who is painting a bee. Tom is the boy who is holding the purple ball and playing with the dog. Anna is the girl who is holding the kite. Henry is the blonde-haired boy who is holding the red car. Lucy is the girl who is reading a book under the tree.
Have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, so let's come to the reading part, okay? So with the reading part, we have 2 exercises. Tick across and multiple choice, okay? You will use the pen again. With the part 1, you will look at the picture and choose tick or cross. Tick represent for the correct answer and cross represent for the wrong answer, okay? So let's look at the picture
Okay.
and choose tick or cross.
Nhìn hả cô? Nhìn hả cô?
Yeah, you will read and then you will choose. You can use the eraser. If you have wrong answer, you can use the eraser.
Okay.
Mhm.
Finish.
Finish. Okay. All right. So if you finish, let's come to the next part. Okay, one more reading part. Look at the picture and choose the correct answer.
Finishes.
Finish. Are you sure?
Easy.
Very easy. Okay. Now, two more questions and we will end the test here.
Okay. Be quiet. Okay. Finishes.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So that is your final answer. Okay, so good job, Mingdu. You have done your test. Okay, so you can leave the room right now and see you next time. Bye.
Bye teacher.